Hey yo, it's Chris O. What I'm doing now is the last parts of my niche. I showed you in the previous video cutting the aluminium. The niche I always leave till last because I just had to check if I had my camera on, and I have, so that's cool. You always leave it till last because then your glue is stiffer, because you need your glue stiffer so it sticks instantly, more or less, and doesn't flop. Always make sure you've got glue on your tile to hit that aluminium, and you're laughing. I've pre-measured these, cut them. Eyeballing it up to make sure it's square. Where's something? Cool. So you do the sides first, right? That one will go on there. But when you have your glue just right, at the right texture, it's just like press and set. Sometimes you may have to just hold it. That's why I have this tape, like that, pulling it in. I could have put a wedge there, but it's just as easy to tape it up. I'll adjust my aluminium in a minute once I've got these in. Top, which is that one. Look at that. Whoop. With your top, you want to be pressing it hard up so it stays, but don't put on too much glue. You need to put on the right amount of glue. Okay, so I'm going to be pushing up about 4 mil. Which is about the right amount. You don't want to have it hanging or down 10 mil and having to push it up. That's too much glue. Bottom one. Now I want to put a little bit of slope on that sucker, so I make sure I build up the back. Like so. Always making sure I've got glue that's going to hit my aluminium, and I need to be flush with that aluminium so I don't build it up heaps and heaps of glue. That will take my back, so I'm able to put a bit of slope on it. And there we have it. Right. I've been doing this for a while, so I know that there's slope there. This is a square edge tile there. There's the slope there. It's about 2 mil. And that distance is heaps. And that's it. I'll now just fiddle around with these miters. So I'll adjust them. Where the hell is my trowel? My hand trowel. Don't know. Alright, I'll come back to you anyway. What I need to do is just, all I'm going to be doing is just adjust this aluminium because I like it out a little. I'll see you soon. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll come back to you when I've got it right. See ya.